Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is another successor T-Mobile iPhone 6 blocked to T-Mobile. But actually, this one is a reported and blocked, which costed the customer a little bit more than we normally charged them, because the device is on the reported list, and once we cleared it off the reported list, and it showed up blocked right behind it, in which we still managed to clear it out for him. T-Mobile iPhone 6, as you can see right here, is US T-Mobile locked. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pause the video and going to perform the services, and we'll be right back very shortly. Okay, we are back now. Okay, T-Mobile Imei repair service. Let's see. Now, let's click submit to see what happens. As you can see, as a matter of fact, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just recopy the same Imei. Since people like to call us scammers, we like to show that, we are actually getting our jobs done. We are not changing the Imeis. Okay, we'll just clear that off and just repaste the same Imei that was reported and blocked at the same time. Voila. Congratulations. Your device is ready for activation, completely cleared off. Tune in and subscribe. Thank you for watching.